Burgos is a beautiful small city located in the north of Spain. It is the crossroad and the cradle of the Spanish language. Not far from Burgos, about 90 kilometers away, we can locate the first words in written Spanish, and local people are proud of speaking a pure Spanish. It is a small city, very easy and cozy to live in, and it has important industrial complex as well. It makes a perfect place for the students to live in. Not only do you have plenty of things to do, but it is a peaceful and safe city as well. It has a unique artistic heritage. In fact, the Cathedral of Burgos, the Camino de Santiago, or the Way of St. James, and the archaeological site of Atapuerca have been stated as the cultural heritage of the world.
As Vice President of Internationalization and Cooperation at University of Burgos, it's my honor to introduce you to my institution and to invite you, on behalf of the President, to come here to visit us. We are doing our best to make our partnership a successful program. We know that students involved in this project will have the best possible training in this field. You all are welcome to University of Burgos.
The University of Burgos is a public university. It was founded in 1994, but in spite of being so young, we've been at the forefront of research projects, innovation and transfer of technology to industries in the last 4 years in our region, Castilla y León.
Graduate students will work in engineering companies, carrying out international projects developed in a variety of geographical locations. Therefore, they have to receive an education that will prepare them to deal with people of different cultures and languages. Maybe it's a difficult decision to make, but we want to encourage you, students, to jump to an opportunity that will be a life-changing experience.
学习外语是学生的目标和任务。以前很多人都以为学习外语是浪费时间的，但是现在学习外语的观点改了。学习外语和外语的文化会增加我们找工作的机会和帮助我们在人际的交际状况。来我校不会说西语的同学们，我校的语言中心会在7月初到8月底给你们开西班牙语速成班。你们在第3年和第4年每天都有西语课。我们相信你们毕业时你们一定用流利的西班牙语跟西班牙人和南美洲人交流。
Welcome to the Polytechnic of the University of Burgos, where the titles related to civil engineering are given. Civil engineer deals with the construction of public works. A civil engineer should be able to plan, design, manage and preserve this public work through their entire service life, which is as important as its construction.
At the end of the bachelor's degree in civil engineering technologies, some important skills will be acquired.
In the course Bridges and Singular Structure Constructions, the student will discover the different technical solutions applied to the construction of bridges and other singular structures. This course is full of practical examples worldwide that make it really amazing for the future civil engineers.
Students completing the course of environmental engineering will have a working knowledge of environmental impact methodologies with a specific emphasis on applications for evaluating contamination in water and air.
Hello, we are pleased to briefly show you our facilities. These are the geotechnical and geological laboratories. Here we can find every geotechnical equipment, microscopes, rock and mineral collections and gadgets we made up to improve our teaching. In our classes you will easily learn how to analyze and design every geotechnical problem, such as walls, foundations, settlements, phreatic water, and landslides. We'll be waiting for you.
Modern societies demand more and more services and infrastructure with a higher level of quality. Nowadays, urban engineering has to meet sustainable development goals from a social, environmental, and economic point of view. Societies and environmental needs must be carefully balanced.
In Spain, there are important construction companies that work on international level and have carried out international works. For example, Ferrovial got a construction contract of the motorway North Tyrant Express in Texas. OHL managed the construction of the Europolar in Russia. SACYR is carrying out its most important project in Panama, working on the extension of the channel. The University of Burgos is developing an international welcome program in order to help our exchange students to get used to living in Burgos and introduce themselves to the cultural and social life of the city. Apart from the Spanish lessons, the exchange students will have a range of accommodation and they will be helped with every doubt or issue that might arise.